All right, welcome to our video on how to screen capture. And the tool that we're going to be using to screen capture is the Snagit extension. And you're going to probably use this in a couple of your other classes. But if this doesn't work, there's another app that I can show you that I'm sure will work just as well as Snagit will. So we're going to mainly use it here in GeoGebra to capture our images or anything that we do. So just to start, we can create a couple points, create a line, create a segment, then I'll create an array. And what Snagit allows us to do is it allows us to capture what we see on the screen here. The nice thing about it is that we can capture just a specific region if we want. So what we do to do that is we go up here to our little Snagit extension. It should be up here on your toolbar. If it's not there, let me know and we can find it. And after you click it, this box over here should appear. And you have choices, and the mainly two choices we're going to use are region and visible. Visible is going to capture the entire screen. It's a total screen capture. Region is where we're just going to highlight a certain area we want to capture. So let's say we click region, and let's say I just want to capture these 3 points and the segment. So I click, drag, and highlight this area. Now from here, after I release, I can adjust this box using the sides, because we all know how touchpads work and you never know, you may accidentally mess up. So you can always adjust before you capture. And also remember, when you're capturing, if it's something that needs to have the graph, make sure you have the origin and these points in the graph. And after you're happy with your picture, what you do is you click this little camera. So you click the little camera, and what it does is it sends you to another screen. It'll open up another screen, and I'll go there now. It looks like this. You'll have this little thing down here, and I think it went away before you got here, but it'll say syncing capture, and then it'll say syncing complete when it's done. And you also know it's done whenever this little blue box over here lights up. After this lights up, you want to click on it, and you can click grab link. Now there are other tools over here that you can use. You can add text in, you can add a rectangle, you can add arrows, but we're not really going to use that. We're mainly just going to click on this and click grab link. After you grab the link, it's going to tell you that the URL has been saved. So what it does is it saves a link to your computer. And you can go to a Google Doc. So I'll just go to the Google Doc that I'm working on right now and that you're looking at. But this is the unfinished product. And from here, what you can do is you can paste that link into a Google Doc. So if you hit Control V, you see that there's a link that appears. We space to hyperlink it. And what we do is if you click on the link and you go to the link, and I will now take you here, you will see that it's just an image of your screen capture. So if you make anything in GeoGebra, we're going to screen capture it, and that way you're going to put it in a doc so I can view it. So that is your tutorial for screen capturing. So go ahead and try to do some of these on your own.